Union of dict objects in Python. How do you calculate the union of two dict objects in Python, where a key value pair is present in the result if key is in either dict, unless there are duplicates? For example, the union of a column 0, b column 1, and c column 2 is a column 0, b column 1, c column 2. Preferably you can do this without modifying either input dict. Example of where this is useful: get a dict of all variables currently in scope and their values.
This question provides an idiom. You use one of the dicts as keyword arguments to the dict constructor. Duplicates are resolved in favor of the value in X. For example,
you can also use update method of dict like.
For a static dictionary, combining snapshots of other dicts. As of Python 3.9, the binary or operator has been defined to concatenate dictionaries. A new, concrete dictionary is eagerly created. Conversely, the vertical bar equals augmented assignment has been implemented to mean the same as calling the update method. For details, check PEP 584. Prior to Python 3.9, the simpler way to create a new dictionary is to create a new dictionary using the star expansion to add tag contents of each subdictionary in place. For dynamic dictionary combination, working as view to combined, live dicts. If you need both dicts to remain independent and updatable, you can create a single object that queries both dictionaries in its _getItem_ method, and implement get_contains_ and other mapping method as you need them. A minimalist example could be like this. And it works. NB, if one wants to lazily maintain a union view of two or more dictionaries, check collections.chainmap in the standard library, as it has all dictionary methods and cover corner cases not contemplated in the example above.
Two dictionaries. N dictionaries.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.